The simple past negative form helps us express something that did not happen in the past. We use it to say that an action did not take place. For example, I did not go, or she did not eat. Notice that the action is complete in the past, but it did not actually occur. To form a negative sentence in the simple past, we use did not, or its short form didn't, before the base form of the verb. For example, I did not go to school yesterday, or she didn't eat breakfast. This structure tells us that the action did not happen at that time in the past. Negative sentences in the simple past follow this structure. Subject, plus did not, plus the base form of the verb. Remember, the base form means the verb is in its simplest form without any changes. For example, I didn't watch television last night, or they did not play football yesterday. Here are some examples that show the complete structure of negative sentences. I did not see the movie. He didn't call his friend. We did not visit the park. She didn't buy a new dress. In every sentence, the verb stays in its base form after did not or didn't, even though the sentence talks about the past. When using did not or didn't, you must always keep the main verb in the base form, not the past form. For example, it is incorrect to say, I didn't went to work. The correct sentence is, I didn't go to work. Another example, not she didn't eat lunch, but she didn't eat lunch. Did already shows the past, so the main verb should not change. The structure of a negative sentence in the simple past never changes with the subject. Whether the subject is I, you, he, she, it, we, or they, the word did not stays the same, and the main verb remains in its base form. For example, I didn't go, he didn't eat, we didn't study, and they didn't travel. The only thing that changes is the subject itself. In real conversations, we use these negative sentences to describe what didn't happen in daily life. For example, I didn't like the movie, she didn't wake up early, we didn't finish our homework, they didn't play soccer yesterday, he didn't buy a new phone, or I did not understand the question. All of these sentences describe actions that were expected but did not actually happen. Now it's time to practice. Rewrite these sentences in the negative form using did not or didn't. For example, she cooked dinner becomes she didn't cook dinner. They visited Paris becomes they didn't visit Paris. I saw my teacher becomes I didn't see my teacher. We finished the project becomes we didn't finish the project. He played the guitar becomes he didn't play the guitar. Practice saying these out loud to get comfortable with the sentence pattern.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.